Good morning sa lahat. Meron na akong i-share konti. May tanong sa akin. Sabi doon na, sabi niya, Brother Magellan, ano yung application ng Malakay chapter 4, 5 and 6? Para maintindihan natin at malaman, samahan niya ako sa Malakay chapter 4, 5 and 6. Behold, sabi dito, I will send you Elijah the prophet before the coming of the great and dreadful day of the Lord. And he shall turn the hearts of the father to the children, and the heart of the children to their fathers, lest I come and smite the earth with a curse. So, may kita natin dyan na dalawang panahon siya na hindi pwedeng magsabay. Una, I will send you Elijah the prophet before the coming of the great and dreadful day. So, great and dreadful day ay magkaibang panahon. Ang great, ito yung first coming of Jesus Christ. And dreadful day, ito ay kakilakilabot na mga araw na pagpaparito ng ating Panginoon Hesus. Pero bago siya dumating, mayroon siyang susuguin na Elijah the prophet. Take note, mayroon tayong 5 coming of Elijah. Yun yung Elijah, Elisha, John the Baptist, Brother Branham, at yung one of the two prophets, yung 2 prophets. So, ano ba yung application nun? Tapos na ang panahon ng pagparito, unang pagparito ni Kristo. Ito ay panahon na kakilakilabot ng mga araw. Ngunit, hindi nila matanggap na before the great dreadful day of the Lord, mayroong Elijah na gagamitin. So, ang sabi ni Brother Branham sa about dito sa Malakay chapter 4, sabi niya, now this messenger ang tinutukoy niya doon sa Elijah na darating. Now this messenger of Malakay 4 and Revelation 10:7 is going to do 2 things. So, take note, to do 2 things. Ang trabaho ni Brother Branham, 2. 1, according to Malakay 4, he will turn the hearts of the children to the father. Number 2, he will reveal the mysteries of the 7 thunders in Revelation 10, which are the revelation contained in the 7 seals. It will be these divinely revealed mystery truths that literally turn the hearts of the children to the Pentecostal Father. Exactly so. Yun yung sinabi ni Brother Branham. So, ang tungkulin niya, 2 pala. Ang pagkaalam din ng iba, yung revelation or the 7 thunders, hindi pinahayag kay Brother Branham. Pero dito sa statement niya, i-reveal niya yung 7 thunders in Revelation 10:7, which the revelation contained in the 7 seal. So, ang laman ng silyo, walang iba kundi yung 7 thunders. Ikaw kapatid, ano ang mas malinaw pa dito sa statement ni Brother Branham para sa iyo? God bless you.